Hello everyone, my name's teacher Byron, and in today's class we are learning about verbs, and we have Pan Pan here today. Say hello Pan Pan. Hello everyone. Teacher Byron, what are verbs? Good question. Verbs are action words or doing words. So everything we do are verbs. First, let's learn the 5 main verbs. The first one is like. What do you like? Teacher likes English. Pan Pan, what do you like? I like carrots. Ooh, very good. What about you? What do you like? You say, I like. Good. The second verb is want. What do you want? I want cake. Pan Pan, what do you want? I want food. What about you? What do you want? You say, I want. Good. The third verb is play. What do you play? I play football. Pan Pan, what about you? I play games. Ooh. What about you? What do you play? You say, I play. Good. Next we have study. What do you study? I study math. Pan Pan, what about you? I study English. Ooh, very good. What about you? What do you study? You say, I study. Good. Ooh, the fifth verb is buy. What do you buy with your money? I buy a drink. What about you, Pan Pan? I buy carrots. Ooh, yummy. What about you? What do you buy? You say, I buy. Good. Now let's revise the 5 main verbs again. What is this? Good. This is like. What is this? Good. This is want. What about this one? Good. This is play. What is this? Good. This is study. And the last one, what is this? Good. This is buy. Now, let's learn some more verbs and use them in sentences. Are you ready? The first one is drink. I drink water. Good. The second one is eat. I eat carrots. Very good. The third one is listen. I listen to music. Good. The next one, jump. Good. I jump on the trampoline. Good. Next we have wait. I wait for the bus. Good. And then play. I play ball. Good. And then run. I run at the park. Good. And then we have smile. Very good. I smile because I'm happy. Here are some more fun verbs to learn together. The next one is sleep. I sleep like a baby. Good. Next we have sell. I sell lemonade. Good. Then we have wash. I wash my hands. Good. Then we have walk. I walk to school. Good. Then we have watch. I watch TV. Good. And then smell. I smell a flower. Very good. Then we have buy. I buy food. Very good. And the last one, laugh. I laugh out loud. Ha 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 ha. Very good. Now let's say all the verbs again one more time. If you know them, say with me. If you don't, say after me. Are you ready? Drink. Eat. Listen. Jump. Wait. Play. Run. Smile. Sleep. Sail. Wash. Walk. Watch. Smell. Buy. And laugh. Ha ha ha. Very good. Now for homework, try to remember all of these verbs in the workbook and try to use them in sentences with the pronouns we learnt. I eat. You drink. He listens. She jumps. After you can remember all the verbs, I will see you in the next class where we will use them to make sentences together with worksheets. Thank you, have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.